Samsung Galaxy A22 5G. Good condition, no scratch, no damage in just 9,999 rupees. If you want to buy it, then please DM me on my Instagram account OverPower Official. I will give you the phone number of the seller. If you subscribe to my channel, you will get a flat discount of 300 rupees from my side. So you will just have to take a screenshot that you have subscribed my channel and send it my Instagram DM. And if you want to sell your mobile, headphone or any other electronic gadgets, then please send a perfect video of your device in my Instagram DM. Please subscribe, like and share for more informative contents. Thank you.
Life is happy but it's so insane. We must merely make a start. Savannah.